We told you this week about an alarming number of overdose deaths in La Crosse County last year. La Crosse County leaders say one common denominator of these tragedies share a lost connection with family.
News 8 Now's Jordan Frumstad tells us why family support is so important, but it's a complicated issue for families who are often let down time and time again.
There are families in La Crosse area communities who feel left in the dark.
We find that most individuals that die from an overdose are using alone.
La Crosse County health educator Al Bliss recognizes a common problem with people who end up a statistic.
They often don't have that support, and their support network is likely to be their friends who are also other users.
Families doubt light will ever glow for their loved ones again.
They have burned bridges with those family members repeatedly.
Drug overdose deaths nearly doubled for La Crosse County last year.
The numbers are just sheerly alarming.
Drug users chase the next best high. Drug dealers are taking advantage of this desire, using fentanyl to accomplish this. The drug is likely taking La Crosse community members' lives, according to Captain Jason Melby of the La Crosse Police Department.
Fentanyl provides such a small margin for error that if you do use too much, it is fatal.
La Crosse County has the opioid stimulant grant that will pay for treatment. There are several agencies in the La Crosse area for people seeking help. The Cooley Recovery Center has coaches, people who experienced addiction themselves. However, the number of resources available does not matter when support from family evaporates.
To navigate that is often like a nightmare.
Faith in these people is beyond difficult for families in this position.
It's easy for someone like me in law enforcement to tell families that they need to still continue to try to be supportive.
And Bliss asks these people to consider his own experience.
My brother been addicted to methamphetamine.
His parents' support was one remarkable ingredient in a recipe that led his brother back into the light.
He's been able to get help. He's been able to get on the road to recovery. He's maintained employment for those 3.5 years.
Faith in pure darkness can make all the difference between life and death.
They didn't give up.
This is Jordan Frumstad, News 8 Now, La Crosse.
The Alliance to Heal has support to pay for a new position to connect people to additional services.
And Bliss says this one position is not going to solve the problem, but it is a start, and he would like to see the position filled by this fall.